Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, just I would like to thank you for all my supporters and to my all subscriber. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na inyong pagsubaybay sa aking mga upload. Thank you so much for stay connected with me. So I'm very thankful for all your support. And today guys, I will just update you. Okay guys, I'm going to make a dinner for tonight, but this one is cold dish. Okay, this is, I don't know whether you can read it, bamboo soup. Okay, this is bamboo soup. I don't know you can see it or not. Chili and bamboo soup. It's a product from Taiwan, so not yet try this one. Maybe I will try. And just simple how do you call it, Chinese easy food to cook. This one is preserved, as you can see or not, preserved radish. Okay, this one is just to as you can see there, just to mix in egg and just fry. So tonight only this one, fry with egg, and this one just to eat like that. So I will update you later how many eggs I put for, maybe I put two packets, if not enough for 5 eggs to fry only. Okay guys, so I will update you later guys.